support not only to us, but for all the alumnus and alumni, my beloved school and its foundation and principles remain firm for all who seek to learn and serve. And to all the alumnus who are in dear Trinity University, for their unending dedication to the school, every year we celebrate the high school alumni homecoming, keeping the torch of Trinity's pride alive. In ending, I would like to quote rock and roll legend Bob Dylan as he says, "May your hands always be busy, may your feet always be slow. May you have a strong foundation, and the winds be May your heart always be full.
Baba ka, baba yan.
May your song always be sung. Stay